Welcome to my last tutorial on web-based applications. The first one that I will show you is a web browser, so you can use any browser you want. I'm going to show you two, and one is Mozilla, one is Chrome. I don't use Internet Explorer, so I'm not showing you that because it's icky. Okay, so first I'll go to Chrome, and you start it up. And then you can just type a web address in here, and the web address we want is blackcobalt.net, and then a little colon, and then 9090. You can just hit that, enter, and your nickname, whatever you want that to be, and your channels, add a pound, and then TSG_OOC, and that is our out of character channel. So click connect to it, and once you're in, that is basically how you join our channel, and you're in. And you can talk to us and say hi, like that, and it doesn't make that ding sound. That is actually on my MIRC, which is a different program. So there is that, and you can join other channels, and the really cool thing about this, you just type /J, pound, the Sleeping Griffon, which is our roleplay room, and it just opens up in a little teeny little area right here. So you have both channels, and you can click them here, and you don't need to open a new tab or anything. It's just all in the same little area. And the cool thing about that is if somebody says something while you're clicked in this channel, you get notified by that. And then it highlights in blue right there, so you know that somebody's spoken in that channel. So you can tell that. And you can get notified too. It makes a little sound if you get notified. So if somebody says your nickname, it makes that little beep sound that you just heard. Do it again. So you can hear that every time somebody says your name, and if your name is said, it also highlights in red. So you know that your name has been said in that channel. So that's kind of a cool aspect of this. And you just type here, and you said something there. Remember, that ding is not for this. That's for my other application of IRC, so it does not ding like that. That is how you use this one. And you'd use exactly the same way for Mozilla. So you click on your Mozilla, or Firefox as people call it, Firefox, and blackcobalt.net 9090. Enter, and nickname, pound TSG_OOC, and you're in. And it does the same thing with the little tabs inside here, so you don't have to open any other tabs. The last application is something called Chatzilla. And why did I open a new tab? Because if you try to open it here, it's going to close your IRC connections. You don't want to do that, so stay on this page. And sometimes if you do that, which is what I don't like about this, sometimes when you do that, it disconnects you from the channel. So even if you click cancel, it'll disconnect you. So that's why open a new tab for anything else you open. So then you go to add-ons. Make sure you're going to the mozilla.org webpage. Don't go to another one. You never know what you're installing from something else. So you go there, and once you're in there, double check that it's Mozilla, mozilla.org, yep. Click add on to Firefox. It adds it on. Install now. There you go. And now you'll have to restart Firefox. And it's going to ask if you want to disconnect. Of course you do. So you disconnect. And close. It won't sign you into Blackart. If you automatically connect to it, it won't sign you in automatically, so you have to do that every time. And now that you're here, you just go to Tools and Chatzilla, and it opens up. And in the little window here, you're going to type /server and irc.blackcobalt.net, I think is what it is. Yep, and there you go. Enters you in, and you can right click it so that you can open this network at startup. So whenever you start up, it'll just open IRC and to this network. And if you want to change your name, you just click your name down here, change nickname to Terry, or whatever you want to do. Now you're here, and you can click /join #TSG_OOC. No. You have to be on your server here. So join #TSG_OOC. And you're in, and you can see the left-hand side here and the notes for the site itself. And that's how you get into our channel there. Hi, and how are you? And join the Sleeping Griffon. So now you're in the Sleeping Griffon, and you can see here it just says that. So next thing we will discuss is how to do messages in here. You can just do that and then query, and that's how you send a message to somebody personally in IRC. Hi. And you get a little beep, even if you're typing to yourself. So you get a little beep that tells you somebody just sent you a message or that your name was said in one of the channels, and it lights up every time you do. And that is basically how to get in to the channels with us, and thank you for watching.